Confidence helps you not only in public speaking, but in every area of life. It is directly related to your relationships. It's directly related to the ability for you to build wealth through your career, and it even helps in your health. So I want to help you build confidence through public speaking. That really what you learn over here transfers over into all the areas of life. So I've done these 3 classics and the 3 questions that are available on the publicspeaking.school. They're available to anyone. What I would invite you to do is to take the next step, to advance your ability in public speaking, to advance your communication. And when you advance your communication, it will advance your life. It will advance your leadership. It will advance your career, your health, and your relationships. So invest in yourself. It's the best investment you'll ever make. And enroll yourself in the publicspeaking.school.